Hi there, and welcome to this review of the Apple Watch SE GPS and Cellular. Now this is the 44mm watch, and I've got to admit, I've got a pretty narrow wrist, and I was really unsure as to which size to get. And I'm gonna show you a little hack that helped me decide. I took the measurements of both the 44mm and of the 40mm, and I cut them out on paper, and I compared them on my wrist. It's super basic, but it's a really good way to work at the size. Now keep in mind that the watch isn't exactly rectangular. The edges are curved, so it's not gonna be quite that big, but this helped me decide that the 44mm was for me. Now as far as performance and build quality is amazing. I swim with this every day. It's got this clever little function to get the water out after you swim. Now speed is phenomenal. Much faster than my old Apple Watch, which was a Series 3. Just gonna show you how opening apps is super fast. Now you can have the apps displayed just as they are, or you can have them in a different mode where they're just all listed and you scroll down rather than having the icons on screen. This is a medium to large band, which is still just small enough to fit my small wrist. I use this Apple Watch essentially as a replacement to an iPhone. I no longer carry my iPhone with me. With the Cellular, this means that I can get all my text messages and all of my phone calls directly to my watch. There are also workarounds for different apps that don't have traditional you wouldn't think that you could use on an Apple Watch. For example, you can get WhatsApp on this using an app. So really high quality, great build quality. I've been really impressed with the performance and the speed, and I give it 5 out of 5 stars.